The OTM Tracker is a material handling unit that Brandt produces for the Class 1 railways and any short line railways that require any material handling uses.
There was a need to become more efficient when distributing maintenance materials for the rail. Brandt seen that need and delivered the product that the customer needs to efficiently handle their maintenance.
The OTM Tracker system replaces two pieces of equipment, both the motive power and the material handler. Because the OTM Tracker system is mobile, it saves the railways lots of time and money because it's where it needs to be when it needs to be there.
The OTM Tracker system, being that it's a modified John Deere excavator, has a proven record within the industry.
We add a walking beam and an undercarriage and a custom designed boom and arm to allow the tracker to function on top of rail cars and on our power unit, as well as being pulled on the highway.
The railways that use the OTM Tracker system have found it to be very reliable and serviceable in the field.
Whenever you require any service or maintenance, you can simply take it to any John Deere dealership.
The OTM Tracker system consists of four components. One is the R4 Brandt power unit. The next is a trailer that hauls the OTM Tracker itself down the highway, the OTM Tracker parallel lift deck, and the OTM Tracker itself.
Together, they produce the safest and most effective, versatile tie handling and other OTM material handling system within the rail industry.
The truck will be able to pull the rail cars down the line, and the tracker can unload at the same time.
One of the key features of the OTM Tracker system is that it can move down the highway from job to job, and it can go around 60 miles an hour, so you can go from one job to the next in a very quick time.
The OTM Tracker trailer carries all of the attachments with it. So there's a spot for the magnet, for the squat clamps, and for the grapple.
Most other projects have to wait until a work train can come and take your units to the next job. This way it's one unit, one person, you go to the next job and you continue on in the same day. That's efficiency.
We use a remote control to control the OTM Tracker to transfer it from the trailer to the rail car, enabling the operator to be a safe distance away from the vehicle while it's traversing.
Once it's onto the cars, you then need the operator to operate the piece of equipment from the seat where he can see what he's doing.
Many operators keep telling us that Brandt's OTM Tracker system is one of the most comfortable machines in the industry today to operate.
It's a John Deere cab, it's climate controlled, 360-degree view. There's a window guard on there as well.
So when you're talking about equipment comfort, the OTM Tracker is second to none.
The OTM Tracker is capable of lifting 5,500 pounds at 28 feet, which is plenty of reach to be able to allow the operator to place material where it's needed next to the rail line.
By being able to place the ties on the ground, this eliminates the chance of the ties rolling down the shoulder of the grade. And with that, there's a lot of time saved, possibly up to 75%.
Tie inspectors walk the railway track and choose which ties need to be replaced.
The operator will get a memory stick that he can insert into the tie counter and bring it up for the operator, and he knows at every milepost how many ties are being laid out.
At the end of the day, you simply take the flash drive out, go to your laptop computer, send it back into the management system, and from there, all the offices can read what is happening out in the field.
The OTM Tracker has an optional bucket, boom, and arm so that you can handle material like ballast or coal. In addition to that, we have a 48-inch magnet that has a 10 kilowatt generator system.
The pull grapple allows the operator to pick up any type of round pole and efficiently place it where it's required. The grapple is the attachment on the end of the arm, which allows the operator to pick up ties or any other pieces of material.
You can quickly change from grapple to magnet or magnet back to grapple again in a matter of minutes.
Being that the Brandt OTM Tracker system can be used every day, every season, it is the most efficient material handling system in the rail industry today. Many of our customers have actually told us that by the amount of money that the OTM Tracker saved them in 1 year, the machine actually paid for itself.
Typically, if the tracker was over height on top of the rail cars, essentially they'd have to take it and maneuver it back onto the truck itself where it's lower than on the rail cars to allow it to enter tunnels and under bridges. But with the squat system, they can just squat the unit itself where it is and allow them to maneuver inside tunnels and underneath bridges that may be a restriction.
The OTM Tracker always has at least 4 clamps clamped to the top of the rail car. When lifting material and moving material with the OTM Tracker, there's at least 8 clamps. We installed counterbalance valves in all of the cylinders so that if there was a failure of a hose or some of the other hydraulic systems, the cylinder would not move.
With safety being first of mind and the primary focus in the rail industry today, the OTM Tracker allows the operators full confidence that they can go out and do the job safely.
The first OTM Tracker was delivered over 10 years ago and is still in the field as productive as it was in the first day we delivered it.